Automatic reciprocating spraying paint machine. Tired of inconsistent spray patterns, wasted paint, and slow manual work? Our automatic reciprocation spraying paint machine delivers precision coating with high-speed efficiency, saving you time, labor, and material costs. Key features: fully automated operation reduces manual labor and human error. Adjustable stroke speed, customized for any project, small parts or large surfaces. Uniform coating eliminates streaks, strips, and uneven coverage. High pressure efficiency cuts paint waste by up to 30% compared to manual spraying. Durable low maintenance, built for industrial-grade performance. Compatible with all paints, works with water-based, oil-based, and PU, UV, etc. Perfect for woodworking doors, furniture panels, wardrobe, smooth finishes on panels, parts, and components. Furniture woodworking, even staining and varnishing. Metal fabrication, corrosion-resistant coatings with precision. Industrial manufacturing, high-volume production with consistent quality. We reduced our painting time by 50% and improved finish quality. Call 0086-1509808086-1866008862727. Email nancy@qdych.com info@qdych.com. Website http://3w.qdych.com. Smart painting superior results. Why choose each finishing spraying paint machinery? Problem solution approach addresses pain points: waste, inconsistency, labor costs, technical specs, builds credibility with adjustable settings and efficiency claims. 3. Versatility appeals to multiple industries: wooden doors, panel furniture, metal, etc.